Welcome by Kiki TV. Today we're here in Kazan and we're going to see different rescue demonstrations. Enjoy! Hello, can you tell us a few things about this event?
Dit is een HV-dag. Wij doen hier eigenlijk tentoonstellen van wat er eigenlijk momenteel te gebruiken is voor HV-gereedschap. Wat de brandweer voor de staat is, wat de hulpdiensten allemaal kunnen. En dit is een jaarlijkse dag die uitgevoerd wordt en ons het heel veel laat zien eigenlijk ervan.
Hello, do you find this event interesting?
Yes, this is always interesting, this event. This is happening every year. It's something about the fire department and the rescues here in Kazan.
Do you think it's useful for people who live here to know about things like that?
Yes, I think so, because then you can see what those people, what they do for them. The fire department, the rescuers, now you can see what they really do. And how with what they do with the hoses, with the cars, with everything, with the boat, with the rescue boat. I think it's very learnful.
Okay, thank you very much.
No, thanks.
Today we learned some useful things about how to rescue people, right? Yeah, we hope you had as much fun as we did. Doei!